To speak in German is sprechen, to speak. Sprechen, sprechen. It may be easier to pronounce if you divide up into syllables. Sprechen, sprechen, sprechen. If you're new to learning German, I suggest from the very beginning, when you see words, vocabulary, and you're able to hear them and repeat them, that you repeat as much as possible. Sprechen, sprechen. The more you listen and repeat, the more the words will flow when you speak. Dividing words up into syllables is referred to in German as Worttrennung. Dividing words up into syllables in German is referred to as Worttrennung. This literally means word separation, Worttrennung. So the Worttrennung for sprechen is sprechen. So again, to speak, sprechen. The stress is on the E here. Sprechen, 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 sprechen. I, the subject pronoun, in German is ich, 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 ich. I, ich, I, ich, I, ich. If you want to say in German, I speak, we have to change sprechen a little bit. We have to conjugate it. Notice the ending. Ich spreche. Ich spreche. I speak. Ich spreche. I speak. Ich spreche. Ich spreche. Ich spreche. Ich spreche. Ich spreche. I speak. Ich spreche. English. In German, English is Englisch. English. English. Notice a very similar spelling, but with the addition of the letter C. English. 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 Separated into syllables. English. 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 Stress on the E. English. English. So let's put it all together. If you want to say in German, I speak English. Ich spreche Englisch. Ich spreche Englisch. I speak English. Ich spreche Englisch. I speak English. Ich spreche Englisch. So German, in German is Deutsch. German, Deutsch. Deutsch. This word is just one syllable. Deutsch. 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 German, Deutsch. The stress is on the double vowel, the diphthong, oi, so Deutsch, Deutsch, Deutsch. Stress in German is Betonung, Betonung, Deutsch, Deutsch. I speak German. Ich spreche 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 Deutsch. Spanish. 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 I speak Spanish. Ich spreche 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 Spanish. Ich spreche Spanish. A quick review of what we learned in this segment. To speak, sprechen. Ich speak. Ich spreche. English, English. German, Deutsch. Spanish, Spanish. I speak English. Ich spreche Englisch. I speak German. Ich spreche Deutsch. I speak Spanish. Ich spreche Spanisch.